Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in HitBTC exchange. When you enter the website for registration, click on sign up. Enter your email and password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols plus minimum 8 characters or more. After entering the password, click on sign up. Then we're going to receive a 6-digit code in our email in order to verify it. Go to your email, click on HitBTC. Copy the code, then paste it here. Scroll down, check these boxes to agree to the terms and conditions of the website, then click on confirm. We entered our account dashboard, our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in HitBTC exchange. Good luck.